To play a Hotseat split screen game in Baldur's Gate 3, first of all, you will need to get two different controllers. It doesn't work with the keyboard and mouse and controller. You actually need to have two separate controllers to play Baldur's Gate 3 in the Hotseat split screen. You can also try to emulate your keyboard as a controller, but it's difficult and it's actually pretty garbage to play this game like that, so I wouldn't recommend that. If you really want to do that, then let me down in the comments and I will make a video on how to actually play it that way. So now when we have both of the controllers, make sure to connect them to your PC or whatever, Steam Deck, or I don't know, just make sure that you have those two controllers connected. Then open the Baldur's Gate page on Steam and view your controller settings. Make sure that you see both of the controllers right here, and then the Steam input needs to be disabled. So for both of them, it needs to say enable Steam input. If it says disable, then click on it, and then we should be ready to go. So we need to launch our game. Okay, so the game is loaded. Now we need to actually click on something on our controller, so that will be our main controller. Next step is to click on the A or X button on your another controller. And that way another player will join, and we have our hot seat already set up, so we can continue the game that I have running right here. And that way we'll be able to play the game with the two different controllers in Hotseat or split screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.